Good day everyone, this is the undecided code, group 4 for the Arduino project. Here are the members. I am Juvan Macvilti.Dayo, the system analyst. Next.
My name is Joven El Sarmiento.
And Ansar Rolancy.
And Joseph Ken Peterizo.
This is the Arduino project of group 4. Then. Our fifth and last Arduino project is RGB lights. Here are the parts used. 1 RGB light, 3 20K resistor, 4 pin wires, 1 Arduino Uno, and 1 breadboard. This is the code used for the Arduino project number 5. The consint declare the connections from red, blue, and green pins. Void setup declares the void pins, while the void loop declares the color used for the RGB lights. The set color are the RGB, which is red, blue, and green. The delay is the time used for the amount of time a color change occurs.